Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create McKinsey graphics and visuals. Now, this is the McKinsey website. You can see this is an article back from 2020. You can see the kind of visuals they use here. This is a chart. This one is also a chart. This one is a plot graph, and you can see this. You can also see these different kinds of charts. Now, what if I told you you could create everything like this for free? Now, we are not going to be using any fancy tool or anything. We are not going to be using Excel. We are not going to be using PowerPoint. No, nothing of that sort. We are going to be doing everything 100% free. For us to be able to do this, we are going to use a software or an AI tool called Napkin AI. So this is Napkin AI. Just go to napkin.ai and sign up for a free account. Now, when you sign up for a free account, I'm just going to sign into my account. Normally on your onboarding process, it's going to give you the opportunity either to bring in your own visuals or to add visuals, or they have their AI which can help you create visuals. So you can do a sketch, you can do labels, you can do search and all that. So I want to give it a topic here. I want to see the best way to teach mathematics to 5-year-olds. Mathematics to 5-year-olds. And then I'm just going to come to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, is this ChatGPT? I'm going to go to AI. I'm going to use an AI tool. I've given this prompt to the AI tool, to ChatGPT. I want to do a presentation titled The Best Way to Teach Mathematics to 5-year-olds. Create the content in point format. So when you look at it, you see it has given me quite a lot of points. I'll just copy everything and I'll paste it into the AI tool, into Napkin. I'll copy everything up to here. I'll copy. And then I want to come back to Napkin and I want to paste it there. So I'm going to come here and I'll Control V. I hope it picks up the points very well. And then now you see it's prompting me to, create the visuals, and it's going to scan through. Now, if your text is too choked up, then you can have it in different formats. Now, because everything, this AI tool sees everything just as one jumbled text, it provides me only with just one, with one visual, and it's in different formats. See the way it is? It highlights all these points, teaching maths to 5-year-olds, and it says importance, key principles, scores, and all that. I could use this one instead. If I choose to use this one, you see I can change the color. If I hover over and bring it over, you see it shows me different displays. So that is how you could do it. You could still go ahead. And if I click on sketch, you could do your own sketch here. Manually. That's if you actually know what you're doing, but I don't advise that you do that. I can also upload an image. I'll just click to upload my own image. I'm going to use this particular one, and I've uploaded that. You can add your own images to your presentation, and you see it fits in quite well there. But I want to come back to this and I want to undo this. I want to do something which is going to be different. I want to make different points. So I separate this into different points. I separate them into different points, different slides. So you see here I had scene 1 right to around scene 5. And this is scene 5. And if I come down here, tell stories. So I want to create different visuals for all these different scenes. I'll remove this. And then I'll come to slide 7. I'll separate that too. This is slide 5. This is slide 6. This is slide 8. And this is slide 9. And this is slide 10. So I want to create visuals. I want to generate visuals for each of these slides independently. I'm going to see now when you see this blue icon, when you hover, that is what you use to generate the visual. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to generate the visual just beneath here. Now you can see I have this visual here. Now there are different presentations, different layouts for this particular issue. So you see we have this particular one. If I hover over it, you see it changes, but it's presenting the same information. If I come again, it presents the same. And then you can see this one with this bulb, and then the one with the brain. So you choose whatever it is you desire, which one you like best. This particular one looks very interesting. This one too looks very, very interesting. In my case, I will come up here and I'm going to choose this particular one. Now, when you choose this one, you can change the color scheme to be something more fun. I'm going to do that. So I've used that one. Then for the next slide, I'll click on the same button. And you see it takes its time when it's generating. You're going to see something here. And you see the different layouts. While I hover over them, see the different layouts. I could choose this particular one. I think I like that. And then I could change the color to something more fun. If I scroll down, I'll use this particular color, this one down here. I'm going to use that. So you can go ahead and do this for all these particular slides. And then you can save this entire thing and use it for your presentation. What if you want to just download this presentation? What do? Just bring your mouse, drag over this entire presentation, and you're going to see this button here. Here you can change the color. Here you can change the font. Here you can highlight stuff. But this is the download button. I'll just click on it, and it's going to prompt me, do I want to download in PNG, SVG, or PDF? I want to use PNG, so I'm going to say download. And it downloads it to my computer. I can use it for my designs. So all in all, that is how you use Napkin AI to create presentations, McKinsey visuals, and presentations. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.